Welcome to the Moon Grief Support Network, a space where grief meets understanding and healing begins. We know the pain of losing someone you love. Whether you're navigating the loss of a spouse, a parent, a child, a pet, or even the loss of a dream or relationship, you don't have to do it alone. Here at To the Moon Grief Support Network, we believe in the coping strategy of the A3 method. Accept, adapt, and actualize. It's our way of helping you take one small step at a time toward finding hope and rebuilding your life. Every week, we post new videos with practical tips, heartfelt stories of resilience, and insights to help you through the tough days. Whether it's coping with seasonal grief, healing through music, or navigating the unspoken challenges of loss, we've got you covered. Grief looks different for everyone, and that's why we create content for all stages and all ages. We're here to meet you right where you are. So join us in building a community of understanding and hope. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you won't miss out on our uploads. Because together we can accept, adapt, and actualize new normals. Thank you for watching and see you next time.